The topic is triangle and its properties. Actually, we have to know first what is a triangle and why it called so triangle. Triangle. The name triangle indicates how many angles it consists of. That is, tri is nothing but a 3, angle is nothing but a, that is angle. In the previous video we have studied about the lines and angles, in which I have explained what is angles, types of angles and types of lines also. So once again I will explain what is angle. So angle, when two lines intersect at a common end point. Let us assume AB is a line and CD is another line. AB line and CD line has the common end point. This is a common end point. Let us call it as a O. So this common end point creates an angle. That common end point is nothing but a vertex. That's called vertex. So at every vertex angles are formed. So these kind of angles are 3 in a shape. There are 3 angles, then it is called triangle. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Let us consider angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So it is form a triangle. 3 angles consist of. Then you may get doubt of a, that is it consist of, is it consist of 4 angles for quadrangle? Really, that is quadrangle. It is 4. That is rectangle, 4 quadrangle, and pentagon, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a pentagon. So gon is angle, penta is a 5. So 5 is a 1, 2, 3, 5 angles. The gon is an angle. The name itself indicates about how many angles are consist in a shape. This is a rectangle. Let us go into triangle. So how many sides are consist of, how many angles are consist of, and how many vertices consist of. The vertices we know, the vertex is it's a common endpoint of 2 lines. That is point number 1. It consists of 3 sides. That is sides. How many sides are consist of a sides of a triangle? That is PQ. PQ is a and QR. And PQ, QR, RP. Or we can also say that is PR also. Here the PQ is equal to QP. We can write it in any way. The sides of a triangle. Next, angles of triangle. Angles of a triangle. Actually, it is a short form of triangle. You can write it as a in spelling also triangle. I am writing for the short form for easy understanding. There is a point, a vertices. There is a vertices P vertices, R vertices, and Q vertex. There is a vertex formed 3 angles: angle P, angle Q, angle R. So we know that 3 vertices, 3 angles. So 3 angles forms 3 vertices. Vertices P, vertex P, Q, R. These are the vertex P, Q, R. So sides of a triangle is PQ, 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 QR, and RP or PR. Anyway, angles of a triangle. There is angle P, angle Q, angle R. So how angle is made with vertex with a common point of 2 lines. These 2 lines make a vertex of R and also angle. These 2 lines make vertex of Q and also one Q angle, and these 2 lines make angle P, that is vertex P. Three angles make three vertices. You can learn here. Here we learn opposite side of vertex. Opposite side of vertex. Let us take that is R is a vertex. R vertex. When R vertex is taken, so R is the opposite of PQ. That is angle vertex R is equal to which angle? P R Q. So P R Q is a angle of R vertex which is opposite to the PQ. This angle R, this P, the angle is found by PRQ. Angle R is opposite to the PQ. R vertex is opposite to the PQ. That is here the R vertex is here. That is nothing but R vertex is R angle. So R angle is made by the PQ, PR and RQ. That is the angle PRQ angle. So this vertex R vertex is opposite to the side PQ. Similarly, the Q vertex is the angle Q vertex. This point is a vertex and this is made the space between two angles at a common point is a vertex, and also here the space is a angle. So the angle is opposite to the PR, and angle P is opposite to the RQ. Here which vertex is made up of which lines and what is the angle opposite to which side? Vertex angle opposite to which side? And vertex, the Q vertex is made up of PQ and QR lines, and the Q is angle opposite to PR. So classification of triangles. So based on the sides there are three triangles, and based on the angles there are three triangles. Based on the sides is equilateral, isosceles and scalar triangle, and based on the angles acute, obtuse and right angle triangle. Let us go through it. Classification of triangles based on the sides. If a triangle having all three sides are equal, then equilateral triangle. So first one is a equilateral triangle. That is actually equilateral is a combination of equal plus lateral. So equal is nothing but a same and lateral is nothing but a side. So all sides are same sides triangle. That is PQ is equal to QR is equal to QP. So all sides are equal. Then it is said to be equilateral sides. Lateral is nothing but a sides. Here second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. That is PR, PQ. These are two sides are equal, and third one is not equal. In the previous one we have discussed about the equilateral triangle. That is all sides are equal. That is P, Q and R. That PQ is equal to QR is equal to RP. These three sides are equal, and also when the sides are equal, then angles also equal. That is angle P, angle Q, angle R, all are equal. In the isosceles triangle also, when the two sides are equal, then two angles also equal. Two angles also equal. That is angle R, angle Q. Angle R is equal to angle Q, but angle P is not equal, because we know that isosceles triangle having only two sides are equal. Other one, that is opposite side is not equal. Angle P opposite side is not equal. If any two sides of a triangle are equal, then is isosceles triangle. It is PQ. PQ equal to PR. RQ is not equal with the PQ. Here, third type is scalene triangle. So in scalene triangle, no sides are equal. That is, all sides are in different length. So this is 3 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. If we measure the three sides, let us assume that is, if we measure the three sides of a triangle, if the all sides mean three sides are different in measurement, then the triangle is called scalene triangle. If the two sides are measurement is same, then is isosceles. If the all sides are equal in the measurement of sides, then it is a equilateral triangle. So scalene triangle is a no sides are equal. That is, no sides are equal. So no angles are equal. All angles are, no angles are equal, which indicates that all having the different angles and all three sides having the different angle with different sides. Next we go to the classification of triangle based on the angles. Before going to the classification of triangles based on the angles, we should know the acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle triangle. What is an acute angle? Acute is nothing but the angle which is less than 90. That is less than 90. Less than 90 degrees is a acute. So acute is the angle less than 90 is a acute angle. Obtuse is more than 90, and right angle triangle is exactly equal to 90 degrees. So then now we go to the triangles based on the angles. Acute angle triangle, in which it is a triangle in which the angles are less than 90. That is, angle P, angle Q, angle R. These are less than, that is less than 90 degrees. These all three angles are less than 90 degrees. Let us consider this is 60 and this is 70 and this is 80. So this is a acute angle triangle because all the angles, there are three angles in the triangles are the less than 90 and less than 90. Then it is said to be acute angle triangle. Second one is a right angle triangle. A triangle in which any one of the angle is a 90 degrees. Then it is said to be right angle triangle. That is, PQR is a triangle in which the R is a right angle, nothing but that is exactly equal to the 90 degrees. Then it is a right angle triangle. That is right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So earlier we have studied that obtuse is nothing but this is more than 180, more than 90 degrees is nothing but obtuse. Let us, there is this is 90 degrees. If this is less than 90 is this is acute. This is acute. This is a right angle, and this is obtuse. So obtuse because it is more than 90, exact 90 is a right angle, less than 90 is a acute. So let us go to the obtuse angle. It is a obtuse angle triangle because in a triangle any one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. So this angle R is more than, that is more than 90 degrees. So more than 90 degrees, we know that If angle is more than 90 degrees is obtuse angle, less than 90 is a acute. So it is the angle R is a more than 90 degrees. So it is a obtuse angle triangle, because in a triangle, if any one angle is more than 90, then obtuse angle triangle. Exercise 1 of chapter triangles and its properties. So let us take first example. First exercise is, that is 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Does it make a triangle or not? By looking at the question, we know that 3, 4, 5, these are the different lengths. So which triangle has a different length measurement is nothing but a scalene triangle. So it forms a scalene triangle, that is 5 centimeters, this is a 4 centimeters, this is a 3 centimeters. Let us take, this is a 4 centimeters, 5 cm, and this is a 3 centimeters. Then it forms a scalene triangle. 3 different measurements makes a 3 different angles, makes a scalene triangle. And second problem is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So 3 sides are equal, then it is a equilateral triangle, that is APQR, that is PQ is equal to QR, that is QR and RP. So these 3 sides are equal, that is it makes a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. We know that equilateralism is equal lateral, equal all sides. Here third one is little bit tricky. So that is 4, 4 and 8. So 8 is the one side which is a equal to the sum of 2 sides. So this is a 4, this is a 4 centimeters, and this is a another one is 4 centimeters. So actually we have to know here that the third side will be definitely less than the sum of 2 sides. So here the 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. The third side, that is let us P, Q, R, that is RQ is equal to PQ plus QR. Then another one, PQ, PR. This cannot make a triangle, but we can make a triangle when the third side is less than the sum of 2 other sides. That is RQ should be less than sum of 2 sides. If it is, that is, let us consider this a 8 is a 7 centimeters, then we can make a triangle. If it is 6 centimeters, we can make a triangle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Not less than 4, but not greater than 8 or equal to 8. It should be, third side should be less than the sum of 2 sides. So it is not possible to make a triangle. And the fourth one is similar as the first one. So you can do it. So median of a triangle. So what is the median of a triangle? That is, median is nothing but a midpoint of a triangle. Midpoint of a side. Let us take this is a triangle. Here this is P, Q and R. PQ, we don't know the exact midpoint. In order to find midpoint, median, that is here the PQ is a line, the midpoint we have to find the midpoint. Midpoint is nothing but which makes equal halves. If we consider this a midpoint, that should be P, this is a point O, that is PO is equal to OQ. These two sides should be equally half. equal in made into half, then these two sides will be equal. So that is a midpoint. Here, how to make a midpoint? If we cut out a paper in a triangle and fold it here, and it folded at the middle, so we can form a line like line. Here the point is a midpoint. In other way also we can draw midpoint, that is measuring the PQ angle. It has a 8 centimeters. We have to make it half. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is the midpoint, that is 4 centimeters is the midpoint, and here the 4 centimeters is the midpoint. Total makes a 8 centimeters. This is a midpoint. So the point from opposite side, opposite angle, here the PQ is a side, opposite angle is a R. From R to, we have to draw a line to midpoint, then it forms a median. Okay. Similarly, from angle P to opposite side, that is RQ, and similarly from angle Q to, that is opposite side, RP. So that is considered, this is a point, midpoint. This is a midpoint on the median, and it is also another median. Let us consider with the another alphabets, that is the P, Q, PQR, and there is a L, M, N. Here forms a concurrent lines. We have to remember what is a concurrent lines. When the lines, two or more lines joined through a common point, intersected at a common point, that is here. This is a 1 minute. If two or more lines, there is a two or more lines passes through the common point. Common point has a, this is a concurrent lines, and the point is concurrent point. Similarly, if we observe here the concurrent lines are up here. There is a point, so this point is a concurrent point. This point, concurrent point, is called G, denoted by G. That is nothing but a centroid. This point is G. That is, G is nothing but a centroid. Centroid, nothing but a concurrent point. Concurrent point. What is a concurrent point? So what is a concurrent point? The concurrent point is nothing but a centroid. Actually we call it centroid, but the lines form a concurrent lines form a concurrent point. That's why we call it as a centroid. So concurrent point is nothing but it is an intersection of all medians. This is a median 1, median 2, median L, median M, median L. L, M, N are the medians. L, M, N are the medians, which the intersection of medians is points forms a concurrent point. That concurrent point is nothing but a centroid. Exercise 3. Exercise 3 of Triangles and Properties chapter from the 7th class. Exercise 3 is totally based on the some angle sum property. Exercise 3 is totally based on the angle sum property. Let us see some example. Second one, take it. Exercise 3rd, first bit, second problem. There is a finding the unknown angle in the triangle. So here the x is the unknown triangle, and here the angle is not given, but the symbol is given. Here the symbol, this indicates the right angle triangle. Consists of right angle. That is nothing but a 90 degrees. So here indirectly it's saying that that's 90 degrees. So we can get that 30 plus 90. We know that in the angle sum property, the interior angles is equal to 180. So x plus 90 plus 30 is equal to 180. Then 90 plus 30 is equal to, that is 120 plus x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to, this 120 goes this side, other side, plus becomes minus. That is 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. That is x is a 60. Here the second bit of third exercise. Here with the external angles also given, let us find first one and fifth one. First one and second one. The diagram itself says what the angles are like. Here the linear pair of angles, that is adjacent angles, x plus in a straight angle, in a line, we know that the two angles are equal to, that is angle A, angle B is equal to 180. That is a adjacent angles and also linear pair of angles. So 120, that is 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 here, because total straight line is 180, 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. This is, here the y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 we got. We know that from the sum of three angles is equal to 180, 50 plus 60, that is angle x, angle 50, that is 60 plus x is equal to 180, and we get x is equal to, by solving, that is, this is 110 and 180 is, this is I think 70, x is equal to 70. I am explaining a little bit fast because these are the basic problems. No need to go through the brief, clear explanation, long explanation. So this is also, this 80 and the x, this is the vertical opposite interior. Opposite, vertically opposite angles. So 80 is equal to x, and let us assume this angle is 1, this angle is 2. These two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. We know vertically opposite angles are always equal. We have studied in the previous video, that is how the transversal lines are formed and what the angles are formed equal, and what summation of angles called 180. These are all. So here directly we know that x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180, 50 plus y is equal to 180. Similarly as a previous one, same as previous one, 50 plus this is 80. X is equal to 80. X is equal to 80. That is x is equal to 80 and x plus y is equal to 180. Then this is 20 plus 30. Here the 130 minus 180. No. Here the 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. That is equal to y. I will explain clearly in a short way. Here x is equal to 80 and we got x is equal to 80, this one. Sum of interior angles equal to 180, that is angle x plus angle y plus angle 50 is equal to 180. So angle 80 is equal to this, angle x is equal to 80 we know. With this we don't know. Let us consider as a y plus 50 is equal to 180. This is 80 plus 50 makes 130. 130 plus y is equal to 180. Here 130 here plus, this become, if the 130 comes to other side, it becomes minus. So 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. If you see this third one, this is a x plus y is equal to 180. So we can, first of all we have to find the interior angles. 60 plus 50 plus y is equal to 180. Then y will we get, y is equal to, that is 110. 60 plus 50 is 110 and y is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to y is equal to 70. Then xt, that is straight line, x plus y is equal to 180. So we can get easily this one. This is also same as a second one. We go to the fifth one, a little bit easy, but it is look confusing. This is the fifth one. Here the x and x, 2x shows that here the whatever the angle is there, that is same as this one. So if you get one x, no need to calculate other x. That is 2x are same, two angles are same, and the x y is different. So we know that the opposite vertical angles are equal. 90 is equal to 90. Here the 90, y is equal to 90, y is equal to 90. So we get that x plus 90 is equal to 180. Thus x plus x is equal to, that is 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. So that is 90 goes this side. 2x is equal to 90. Then 2x is equal to 90. So if the 2 is here the multiplication, doing multiplication with the x. So if the 2 becomes, if 2 goes this side, other side, opposite side, divides. So x is equal to 90 by 2 is equal to 45. For the easy understanding, here the 2x is equal to 90, then 1x is equal to exactly half of 90. That is, let example, that is 2 chocolates is equal to 10 rupees, then 1 chocolate is equal to 5 rupees. That is 1 chocolate is equal to 5 rupees, because 10 is made into 2 parts. Similarly, 2x is equal to 90 also. Sixth one is also based on the vertical opposite angles, and also that is linear pair of angles, that is adjacent angles 180 making. Here the x is equal to, this is one, this is sixth one. Here observe clearly, here x and there also x. So angles are equal if the exterior angles, that is vertically opposite angles, are equal. Here also, that is x becomes, here also x becomes, and here also x becomes. So interior or angles are equal, then the sides also equal. When the sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. So here that is 3x is equal to, that is angle x plus angle x plus angle x. (180). That is 3x is equal to 180. So 3 chocolate is equal to 180. Then 1 chocolate is equal to, we have to make 180 into 3 parts. 180, that is 3x. 3x is equal to 180. That is 3 chocolates is equal to 180. Then we have to know that 6 table. That is 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 60 into 3 is equal to 180. So that is 3x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 60. That is 60 plus 60 plus 60. Let's verify the angle is correct or not. 60 plus 60 is equal to 120. 120 plus 60 is equal to 0. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. A is 180. So we get x is equal to 60. If you observe the third bit, that is third bit of third exercise, this one of the easiest, I think so, because sum of 3 angles is equal to 180. So 38 plus 102 plus x is equal to 180. As the angle sum property, similar to the angle sum property, we can get this all the problems easily. Let us leave with this. And the fourth one also, right angle is nothing but 90. Acute is 90, that is but less than 90 is 30. So find the another, that is other acute angle. Here that is question is giving a clue that acute angle is nothing but less than 90. So acute is nothing but less than 90. Let us draw a triangle so that we can understand easily. In the question, that is in a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30. One right angle is nothing but, let us x is equal to 90, that is, and the y is equal to acute angle is 30 degrees in the question. So let us consider this one. This is a right angle, that is x is equal to 90, and here the x is equal to, that is y is equal to 30. This is acute angle, and here saying that z should be acute angle, that definitely z should be, that is less than 90. So angles and property, 90 plus 30 is equal, that is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is equal to 180. Then that is 90 plus 30 plus z is equal to 180. So 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. 120 minus 180 is equal to z. That is x is z is equal to 60. We have to make with no pen, without writing anything on the paper or pencil, on the board. We have to calculate in the mind, so that we can get easily. We have to get the command over the angle. So here the first one, that is true or false. The triangle can have two right angles. No, it's impossible. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. Let us consider this 90 degrees, and this is also 90 degrees. We cannot join this. If we join this one, this will be left remained, and if we join to this, it becomes two triangles. One triangle cannot have two right angles. Here two right angles, that is 90 degrees. If we join this one, it becomes square or rectangle, depend on the size of this one, length of this one. If we take broad one, it becomes rectangle. If we take short one, that is square. Leave it about that. So here became square, there is no rectangle, triangle, so it is false one. Second one, a triangle can have two acute angles. It's true, because we have learned that acute angle triangle consists of all acute angles, and the obtuse angle also, it is a obtuse angle cannot have two obtuse angle. From the first one we got that if a triangle having more 290 degrees, that is nothing but 290 degrees, triangle cannot be formed. When with 90 triangle is not forming, more than 90 also a triangle cannot be formed. So this is also, let us take an example for a triangle can have two obtuse angle or not. This is obtuse angle, this is also obtuse angle. You can get in a doubt that how can you justify that this is obtuse angle, because right angle is nothing but more than 90. This is right angle. This is exactly right angle. When the right obtuse angle definitely crosses this line here, so definitely obtuse angle. Let us consider this one is the right angle. Here also right angle. Definitely above the right angle crossing the line. So definitely there is more than 90. So that is leave it about that. We cannot form here. Here this is a quadrilateral having a quad, four sides, quadrilateral. That is quad is a four, lateral is sides. We know already. So four sides and four angles. No triangle is formed. Fourth one is each angle of a triangle can be less than 60. Here each angle of a triangle can be less than 60. So it is false actually, because the three angles should be I am talking about three angles. Three angles should be more than 60. Then it forms angle less than 60 cannot. Here saying all the here let us consider this one. If the angle this one, let us take this 50, 50, 50. All angles are 50. Then makes 50 plus 50 plus 50 is equal to makes 150. There is no 180. The triangle should consist of 180 angle. So sum of interior angles should be 180. Then here coming 150. So the triangle is not formed with the less than 60 of all each angles. And the sixth one, the angles of a triangle in the ratio of 1 to 3, find the angles. I have made a video on the angle sum property, and also finding the angles when the angles are in the ratio. So sixth one and also that is 10th one exactly as a ratios. Skip this one. And seventh one, let us discuss. This is seventh one, problem seventh one. Angle A is 30, angle B is equal to 50, angle Z and X. Here the X and Z are the corresponding angles because above the line, that is left side, that is left side, that is right side. Right side. No need of writing this one. Let us consider this right. So left side of line, above the line, left side of line, above the line. These are the corresponding angles. So angle X is equal to angle Z. And also here the Y is equal to 50. Right side of the line, above the line, above the line. So angle Y is equal to 50. So we got angle Y is equal to 50. Angle Y is equal to 50. From the angle sum property we can get that X is equal to. No need of explaining again and again because I don't want to make students blunt. They should be sharp and they should be think what angles are. Instead of explaining again and again makes unable to think student. Let us take 8th one because 8th one is a little bit tricky and also tricky. So observe this one, 8th one. Here straight line. Straight line makes a 180 degrees. 180 minus 96 is equal to here angle. So this one is 84. Oh no. 84 we got. In the question that is given, angle ABD is equal to 3 of DAB. So here the angle ABD is equal to, let us consider angle ABD is equal to angle DAB 3. That is, this angle is 3 times of DAB. Let us consider this one X1. This is something 5 star chocolate. If the 5-star chocolate is X rupees, then the dairy milk should be 3 times more than the 5-star. Let us consider there is 5-star chocolate is 1 rupee, then the dairy milk should be 3 rupees. If the 5-star is 2 rupees, then the dairy milk should be 3 3s are 9. That is no. If the 5-star is 2 rupees, then the dairy milk should be 3 2s are. That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6 rupees. That is 3 should be multiplied with the cost of a 5-star chocolate. So this is X. This should be 3X. So here the ABD is equal to, this is X, this is 3X, this is 84. Again we got that is X plus 3X plus 84 is equal to 180. That is 4X plus 84 is equal to 180. Then this goes this side. Plus becomes minus. 180 minus 84 is equal to 4x is equal to 96. Then x is equal to 96 by 4. So we have to know the division, that is x is equal to 24. So here we have to find ABD. That is ABD is equal to 3 into DAB. So x is equal to 24. Actually I did a small mistake here. Actually angle ABD is equal to 3x if DAB is equal to x. That is x. This one x. If this is x, this is 3x. 3 into x, that is 3x. So here the x is equal to 24. Then 3 into x is equal to 24. Then that is 24 into 3 is equal to, we get answer of angle ABD. Let us see, that is 11th one, I think 9th one. So this is the 9th question from the Third exercise of the triangles and properties. In a triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 2 times of angle Q, and angle 2 times of angle R is equal to 3 times of angle Q. So calculate the angles of PQR. Here the question is finding the angle PQR from the triangle. From the triangle PQR, we have to find the angle of P, Q and R. They are given the something equation form like this. So let's hear that is angle P. So we have to find the angle of PQR. Let us hear angle P is equal to 2 into angle Q. We know that is given the question, and here the angle 2 times of angle R is equal to 3 times of angle Q. So let's hear for our convenience just change into that is angle R by angle Q is equal to that is 3 by 2. So I will explain it clearly. Here 2 is multiplying. When goes to here, it becomes division. That is angle R is equal to 3 by 2 angle Q. So here when here Q is multiplying with the 3 by 2, it becomes division. So angle R by angle Q is equal to 3 by 2. Nothing but here angle R is equal to 3, angle Q is equal to 2. If we cross multiplication here, we will get the again here this equation. So let's check. That is 2 into angle R is equal to 3 into angle Q. Again we got this. So we can write this equation that is in this form, in this form also. That is angle R by angle Q is equal to 3 by 2. Let's assume that angle R is equal to 3x, angle Q is equal to 2x. So we know already that is angle P is equal to 2 into angle Q. So let's substitute that angle Q is equal to here. We know already angle Q is equal to 2x. Substitute here angle P equal to 2 into 2x. So here angle P is equal to 4x we got. We got here angle P is equal to 4x and angle R is equal to 3x. Angle Q is equal to 2x. Angle P is equal to 4x. Let's do here. We know that already PQR is a triangle. That is PQR. So interior sum of interior angles is equal to 180. We have studied already. So here these are the PQR, the interior angles. That is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. But here the values also we got here. Angle P is equal to 4x. Angle Q is equal to 2x. Angle R is equal to 3x. So 4 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 3 9. That is 9x is equal to 180. Here 9 is multiplying. When it goes to here, it becomes division. That is x is equal to 180 by 9. So 180 by 9 is nothing but 9 ones, 9 twos are 900. So here x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 we got. So what is the angle of here? Angle P. Let's substitute here. Here substitute here. X is equal to here 20. 3 into x, that is 3 into 20 is equal to 60. And here 2 into 20 is equal to 40 becomes here. And here 4 into 20 is equal to 80. And summation 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. So we got 180 also, because these are the interior angles. The summation of interior angles is equal to 180. Hence proved. We got same equiangles, that is. Here this one, 11th one. I have skipped the 10th one because 10th one is exactly same as 6th one. Same as 6th one, but the numbers are different. They have given the same ratio, same problem, just numbers are different. You can do 10th one by saying the 6th one. So skipping the 10th one, we are going to 11th one. Here the acute angles of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle here, they have given right angle triangle, but here the triangle is, here triangle Q. Adding the ratio. So it is a right angle, the acute angles. So among the three angles, one is right angle, another two are the acute angles. These are the acute angles. Here this one. So we know already acute is nothing but acute angles. Acute angles. It is acute angles is nothing but less than 90. So less than 90. These angles are the less than 90 and this one is 90 because we know already the right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. So here these two acute angles are in the 2:3 ratio. So here that is we don't know what is the ratio 2:3 only, but we don't know the angles, that is 3x plus 2x plus 1 angle, that is here the let us 2x and this is 3x, this is 90. Summation of interior angles is equal to 180. So 90 is equal to 180. So we can get angles easily here. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. So when 90 goes to RHS, it becomes minus is equal to 180 minus 90. So 5x is equal to 90. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Let's do here. So 5x is equal to 90. Then x is equal to 90 by 5. Because here 5 is multiplying with x. When it goes to RHS, it becomes division. So 5 ones are 5 ones. Here 4 is remaining. So 4 0 40. 18s are. So x is equal to 18. Just we got x value is equal to 18, but not the angles here. So because angles are in the ratios, we got x. So here substitute here again. We know already that is two acute angles and also the angle should be less than 90. So 2x, x is equal to 18. That is 2x is equal to here 2x is equal to 2 into x is equal to 18 here 18 and 3x is equal to 3 into 18. So we get here 2 18s are 36 and here 3 18s are 54. So if you add this all, that is 54, 36 and 90, definitely you will get 180 degrees because we have already studied that sum of interior angles is equal to always 180. We have completed 11th one, that is 11th one. We have to complete here 12th one. 12th one in the figure PQR is right angle at Q, given right angle at Q and ML parallel to RQ. This is ML line and is parallel to RQ, and here the LMR is equal to 130. We have to find the LPM and LPML and PRQ. We have to find these angles. Here this is the question. This is the question here. They have given that is right angle at Q. So we know already that is a straight line. This is a straight line. Straight line forms 180 degrees. So straight line forms 180 degrees. Here let us think here something value here x. Let us think that is x. So that is x plus 130 is equal to 180 because this is a straight line form always 180 degrees. So whatever the lines here, we have one line here. So let's take only forms two angles here. So these two angles summation is equal to 180. Summation 180. So x plus 130 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to, here 130 goes to other side, that is RHS. 180 minus 130, 0. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So x is equal to 50. Here we got x is equal to 50 we got here. And we have to find the other angles also. So 50. Here we have to remember what is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles is nothing but the same side. Here if we take the line as some line, here that is line, this is left side. This is left side. Left side, and this is right side of a line. This is line. So here the angle formed here, the angle is right side of a line, and also here the angle also right side of line. Each is above the line, it is also above the line. So it is 50. We can directly write because it is a corresponding angle. and here the same, it is also above the line and above the line, and it is below the, this is also 90 degrees, 90 degrees is below the line, and here also same, so it forms 90 degrees. So this was 50, here 50, and we can obtain here easily, that is angle MPL, because we got here 50, 90 and we don't know this. So 50 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. Let's take this y. This is y angle, angle y here. This is angle y. So 50 we got here from the linear, that is adjacent angles. So 50 plus 90 is equal to here 140. 140 plus y is equal to 180. When it goes to this side, other side, the y is equal to 180 minus 140. So y is equal to 40. So we got y is equal to 40. We got all angles in the triangle. That is a y is equal to 40. Here what is actually y? Y is nothing but LPM. That is LPM. Angle LPM. And here the what is angle here? PML. That is x is equal to. That is x is equal to 50. That is PML is equal to 50. Angle PML. And also MRQ. That is angle MRQ is equal to 50. Because corresponding angles. This is 13th one. In the figure ABCD, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is pentagon. It is a pentagon. So the sum of 5 angles is equal to, we have to find the 5 angles, and we have to find the summation of 5 angles is equal to what? So we know already interior angles of summation is interior angles of a triangle summation adding is equal to 180. So if we add all interior angles of a pentagon, so what is the angle formed? So I have drawn the pentagon for smaller diagram so that you can understand easily here. Here the ABCD is a pentagon. I will clearly draw here. I will draw here easily. Here this is a pentagon of question 13th one. So if we join two lines at a common point, let us think here C and here. That is, if we join here, the three triangles are formed. So in a pentagon, if we join two lines at a common point, we can draw in this way also. In this way also. In this way also. In any way, we have to join the two common, that is two lines at end point or a common point. So then the three triangles are formed in the pentagon. So let us, the triangle number 1, that is ABC, that is ABC triangle 1, and ACD, that is ACD plus and AED, that is AED. These are the triangles formed here. That is, I will write here. It is triangle ACD plus triangle AED. These are the three triangles formed. We have to find the interiors of a pentagon. So we know already the interior angles of a triangle is nothing but 180 here. So triangle ABC here, this becomes 180. This becomes 180. The summation of interior angles is equal to 180, and summation of 80 ACD. Summation of interior angles of a triangle is nothing but 180 here. So 180 plus 180. So here 180 plus 180 plus 180 is nothing but a 540. So here the total angles of a pentagon, that is 5 angles, is equal to 540, because they have given that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 540. In the angle sum property, actually angle sum property shows that the sum of interior angles of a triangle, the sum of here, let's think here, this is a triangle consists of 3 interior angles. So here the A, B and C, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, Because summation of interior angles, sum of interior angles of a triangle is nothing but 180. We know that here 180. But what about exterior angles? So what is summation of exterior angles? Does it 180 or more than 180? So we have to find now, right now. So this is a triangle. Here angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are the interior angles. Here the interior angles. Interior angles, and here the angle 1, 2, 3 are the exterior. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the exterior angles. These are the exterior angles, these are the interior angles. So we have to prove that summation of exterior angles is equal to 360. We have to prove. We know that is, they have given that summation, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360 they have given. So whether this is correct or not, we have to prove. We have already proved interiors of a triangle is nothing but a 180. So we have to prove right now the exteriors of a triangle is equal to 360. So here, observe here, this is a line. It is a linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles is equal to 180. So here angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Because these are the linear pair of angles. And also straight lines forms 180. Summation of two linear pair of angles is equal to 180. So here, so add all the angles here, and here that is angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, all the angles. So add all angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus is equal to 180. These are the angles. So we know already 2 plus 4 is equal to 180 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 180. No, actually we have to add these three equations, that is angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180. So we have to add the three. There is 3. And also we know here that is angle 4, 5, 6 are the interior. 4, 5 and 6. So write in separate way, that is angle 4. Here angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 and plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to, here 3 18s are 54, that is 540. So we know already that is angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. These are the interior angles. Sum of interior angles is equal to 180. So the summation is nothing but here the 180 becomes. So let's substitute the value here. Instead of angle 4 plus 5 plus 6, just substitute the angle 180, because sum of interior angles is equal to 180. So 180 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the exterior angles. Here 540. Here 180 is plus. When it goes to RHS, it becomes minus. Here 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 540 minus 180. So it becomes, let's check here, 540 minus 180 is equal to 0. Here take borrow. 14 minus 8 is equal to 4, that's 6. Here 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 360 is equal to 360. So we have proved that there is 1, 2, 3 are the exterior angles and summation of exterior angles is equal to 360. So here exercise first one. In a triangle, name the all interior angles and exterior of a triangle. So I think this is a dead easy question, because even a small child also can name these angles if he has basics of triangles, because I will show here. So here these are the interior angles here, that is angle A, angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle C are the interior angles. So interior angles, and angle here X, angle here Z, and angle here Y are the exterior angles. These are the exterior angles. So these are the interior angles. So when we are saying the angles, we have to denote the three letters. So here angle ABC, interior angles. Let's denote the interior angles here. Interior angles, angle ABC and angle ABC and BAC, angle BAC and also BCA, angle BCA. Here we got BAC angle. Three angles we got here. Interior angles are over. Let's go to exterior angles here. Exterior angles. So exterior angles in CBX, that is angle CBX, and here BAY, that is angle BAY, and also ACZ. No, ACZ, no, Y. We have to start with Y. YCZ. That is we got CBX and A. Here though A only. That is ACZ. So this is exercise fourth one, first one. So second one is here for triangle ABC, find the ACD value. We have to find this value here. So I think we can find easily. This is the triangle ABC. We have to find the ACD. Find the angle ACD. We have to find here. So we know already that is summation of interior angles is equal to 180 here. We know already. So here angle ABC plus CAB, that is angle ABC plus angle CAB plus angle ACB is equal to 180, because these are the interior angles. These are the interior angles. So these are the interior angles. So angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 45. That is 45. Angle CAB is equal to 66. Angle ACB we don't know here. So let us think as here X is equal to 180. So 45 plus 66. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 here. 6 plus 4, 10, 11. So 111. So 111 plus X is equal to 118. We got here 180. When it goes to RHS, it becomes minus. That is 180 minus 111. X is equal to 180 minus 111. Then X is equal to, so we got 69 here. This X is equal to 69, but not ACD. So we have to find the ACD here. So here X is equal to 69 we got. I will erase this here. And here the line, the straight line forms 180. Linear pair of angles is equal to 180. So here what are the linear pair? So ACB, that is angle ACB plus ACD, that is angle ACD is equal to 180. Because of these are the linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. And also straight line forms. Linear pair of angles. That is angle ACB is equal to 69. We got here 69 plus we don't know this one. Let us consider this as Y. This has considered as Y is equal to 180. So when the 69 goes to that side, RHS side, Y is equal to 180 minus 69. It becomes, when the plus 69 goes to RHS, it becomes minus 69. 180 minus 69 is equal to 111. Then Y is equal to 111. Here what is Y? Y is equal to angle ACD. Exercise 4. Triangles and properties. Third question from the exercise 4. We have completed first bit and second bit, which are easy. Third one, fourth one also easy. Though I want to explain. You can do by pausing the video. This is third one from the fourth exercise. We have to find the angles of x and y. Here x and here y we have to find. We know that the straight line forms 180 degrees. We know this is 180 degrees, and this is also 180 degrees. So circles form 360 degrees. So 180 degrees here. So 180 minus 65. So x plus 65 plus 65. X plus 65 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 65 goes this side. 180 minus 65 is equal to, so x is equal to 115. Already we have proved that sum of interior angles is equal to 180. That is angle sum property. I made a video on this. That is angle sum property. You can watch this. That is angle y plus angle x plus, that is angle c, that is 30, is equal to 180, because interior angles of a triangle summation is equal to 180. Angle y we don't know. Angle x is equal to 115, that is angle y plus 115 we got here. X is equal to plus 30 is given in the question is equal to 180. So 115 plus 130, 115 plus, that is 30, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, that is 4, 145. So I will write here the summation of 115 plus 30 is equal to 145. Here plus, when goes to the other side, that becomes minus. Angle y is equal to 180 minus 145. Angle y is equal to 35. Fourth one, we have to find the x and y angles. Actually in the question is a little bit wrong, because y is not given. We have to assume this as a y. So that's why I have assumed that this is a y, x and 57 given in the question, and 1 also given in the question. So we have to find the y. We know already straight line forms a 180. Straight line is a combination of 180 the adjacent sides. Sum of adjacent sides is equal to 180. That is angle y plus 107 is equal to 180. Then angle y is equal to 180 minus 107. Angle y is equal to 73. So we got y is equal to 73. Again angle sum property, that is summation of three angles is equal to summation of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. That is angle y plus angle x plus 57 is equal to 180. Already we know angle y is equal to 73. Substitute here 73. Angle x plus 57 is equal to 180. Then angle x is equal to, so 73 plus 57 is equal to, so 73 plus 57 is equal to 130 plus angle x is equal to 180. So 130 here plus, when it comes to other side it becomes minus, subtract. So angle x is equal to, goes here, so 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. Angle x is equal to 50. This is the question of fourth bit. Second one, that is fourth exercise. So A, D, B, and this is C here. A, B, C, D, and D, E. Here x and y we have to find. So already we know that the straight line forms 180 degrees. The summation of angles which is associated with the straight line is 180. So let us consider here, this all summation is equal to 180. So here also all summation is equal to 180. So that is angle x plus 65 plus angle y is equal to 180. So here unknown values are 2. So we have to find any x or y value in order to find the one that is y or x. So let us find x because it is easier to find. Here 40 plus 107 plus x. These are summation of interior angles is equal to 180. So that is angle A. Angle A plus angle D plus angle x is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to 40 plus angle D is equal to 107 plus angle x we don't know. X is equal to 180. So summation of this 107 plus 40. So 40 plus 107 is equal to 147 plus angle x is equal to 180. So here when goes to other side it subtract angle x is equal to 180 minus 147. Angle x is equal to 33. So we got right now this one. So we can easily find y value. So let us consider here that is angle x plus 65 plus angle y is equal to 180. We know x here 33 plus 65 plus we don't know y is equal to 180. So addition of 65 and 33, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 98 plus angle y is equal to 180. I will write here. So 98 plus angle y is equal to 180, then angle y is equal to 180 minus 98. We can obtain y. So angle y is equal to 82. 4 bit also completed. Let's erase. This is the fifth question from the fourth exercise. So here ABC triangle. This is one line drawn which makes 104 with the AC. So here one hint is given that DBA, that BAD is this is the angle which is 3 times greater than. If it is 1 dairy milk, this makes 3 dairy milks. That is 3 times greater than. So here if it is x, then this is 3x. That is 3 times greater than. If the x has 10 rupees, if the x has only 10 rupees, then angle A should possess, angle A is equal to angle A should have, that is equal to 3 into x times. X is equal to 10. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So if the x has 10 rupees, then A should have 30 rupees because A is 3 times greater than, that is half angle of B, that is x. So we have to find this x and A and B. We have to start from here because straight line forms 180. So here let us consider this one P, that is angle P plus 104 is equal to 180. Then angle P is equal to 180 minus 104. So subtract this one. So angle P is equal to 76. Here that is 76. So we got 76. And another angle we have to find this one. Here ABD is a triangle. So ABD is a triangle. And also DBC also triangle. Here the two triangles are formed and the angles also given behind. We can find angles easily. Let us consider this is a M angle. Here angle M plus angle P plus angle C. This angle C is equal to 180. So we don't know M, but we know P. Just now we have found that is M is equal to, we don't know. Angle P is equal to 76. Just now we got. Angle C is equal to 65. In the question it is given. That is 180. So 76 plus 65. 114. 114 plus angle M is equal to 180. So angle M is equal to 180 minus 141 is equal to 39. So here this is 39. So we got all angles of this triangle, and we have to find all angles of this triangle, that is BDA. So here let us erase this. Again same, the summation of all interior angles is equal to 180. Here x plus 3x plus angle D is equal to 180. So this is angle A plus angle B naught, angle x. Let us consider angle x plus, no. Let us angle this, consider as a Q angle. So angle A plus angle Q plus 104 is equal to 180. Directly we can write also. For the understanding, easy understanding, I am explaining like a denoting ABC or angle ABC, angle AQB. So we can directly write as a x plus, that is x plus 3x plus 104 is equal to 180, because sum of interior angles is equal to 180. That is A is equal to 3x plus Q, x plus 104 is equal to 180. In this way also we can write. So 3x plus x is equal to 4x. 4x plus 104 is equal to 180. Then 4x is equal to 180 minus 104. So x is equal to, we have 4x is equal to, so 4x is equal to 76. Then x is equal to 76 by 4. Here multiplication, the 4 is multiplying with x. When goes to other side, opposite side, it becomes division. So becomes division. So 76 by, let us write for division easy. That is x is equal to 76 by 4. So 4 ones. Here 3 is remaining, that is 36. 4 nines are. So x is equal to, that is 19. So if the angle here x is equal to 19, then here 3 into x, that is angle DBA. That is angle DBEA is equal to x. We know already that is a BAD is the 3 times multiple of DBA. We do DBA is equal to, we just know we got, that is 19, and the here BAD is equal to 3 into x, that is nothing but 3 into 19. We have to multiply, that is 19 into 3. 3 9s in 27. You can multiply. Angle BAD is equal to 57. Here sixth one is finding the angles of a following figures. Here the lines, denotation of different lines, there is 2 lines on 2 sides. So we can learn this one. This is a ABC triangle. If the 2 sides of triangle, we know that there is a scalene triangle. If the all sides are equal, then it is a equal triangle. Equilateral. I have explained in the previous videos. That is equilateral is nothing but equilateral. Equilateral is a actual word. That is a combination of equal plus lateral. That is equal plus lateral. There is sides, that is equal. All sides are equal. So equilateral is nothing but all sides are equal. If the all sides are equal, that is 3 sides, 1 line denotation. This one line is equal to this one. I mean, this side is equal to this side is equal. All sides are equal. That's why we denoted all sides with the one line only, that is cross mark. These all sides are. If the 2 sides are only equal, then these 2 sides are equal. This one is different. And also, if sometimes we cannot also denote also, but the meaning gives 2 sides are same, another one is different from with compared with the 2 sides. So similarly, 6th bit of 4th exercise. Let's go through it. The first bit is angle B is equal to x, angle C is equal to, that is y, and 70. And here the one thing is, equal sides create equal angles. equal angles. So here angle x is equal to angle y. This is the point we have to learn. Equal sides create equal angles. So from this we can get easily, that is angle x plus, that is angle x plus angle y plus 70 is equal to 180, because the summation of interior angles is equal to 180. We know already x is equal to angle y. So substitute this. Substitute, that is x plus 70 plus 180, that is 2x is equal to 70. 70 goes that side, that is, let us write in a easy manner, step by step. 180, then 2x is equal to 180 minus 70. So 2x is equal to, the 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. Then 2x is equal to 110. 2 multiplying here, x2 is multiplying with x, when goes to opposite side becomes division, that is x is equal to 110 by 2. So 110 by 2 is 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining. So 1 0 is 10 becomes 10. This is again 5. Here 55. That is x is equal to 55. That x is equal to 55 means x also 55 and y also 55. These two angles are same. The first one is completed. In this one, here two sides are equal, then these two angles are equal. Don't think that x and y are equal. If the x or y are equal, then the lines are given in this way. In this way. Then these angles are same. Here these angles are same. But these exterior angle and interior angle may not be same. Okay. So let's go to the question. In this way, the question is given. So angle x and y. So indirectly we get y is equal to 50. So here 50. Y is equal to 50, because two same sides create two same angles. Then summation of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. 1, 2, 3. These three angles summation is equal to 180. That is 50. Let us consider this one. This is y. This is p. This is q. Let's consider. That is angle y plus angle q plus angle p is equal to 180. We know angle y is equal to 50. We know angle q is equal to 50. We don't know angle p. So 180. So 50 is 50 plus 50, 100. So 100 plus angle p is equal to 180. Then 100 goes this side. Subtract angle p is equal to 180 minus 100. So angle p is equal to 80. So here this one 80. Again here one hint is giving that straight line. Straight line is a combination of adjacent angles. So straight line forms 180. So angle p, that is angle p plus angle x is equal to 180. We know already angle p is equal to 80. 80 plus angle x is equal to 180. Then 80 goes to other side, that is 80 goes to other side. Then angle x is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. That is angle x. Here angle x is the 100. This one, third one, that is third bit. So here vertically opposite angles are always equal. I have explained in the previous video what kind of angles are and what kind of lines are. So you can go through that. That is 30 is equal to 30. Here the angle is equal to 30. He has given one hint to make students tricky. Questions tricky. So he has given that is vertically opposite angles. That is here y is equal to 30. And also here x. Here x. Then two sides are equal, the two angles are equal. Here this makes 30. So this also 30, this is also 30. We can easily find that is angle x is equal, angle y is equal to we found, that is 30. So summation of interior angles again, that is angle y plus angle x plus, that is 30 is equal to 180. Angle y is equal to 30 we got from the vertically opposite angle. Angle x we don't know, plus 30 is, that is when the two sides are equal, other angles also, two angles are same with respective angles are same. So 180. So 30 plus 30, 60. That is 60 plus angle x is equal to 180. That 180 minus 60 is equal to angle x. So that is angle x is equal to 120. These questions are too easy. You can do by pausing video. This is also similar as a first one, but in the first one the exterior angle is not given. Here the exterior angle is given. We can find easily. Here the exterior angle plus interior angle, that is a straight line straight line forms 180 degrees. That is some combination of these two angles is equal to 180. Let us consider this as a, that is P. For example P, and y and P are equal because two sides are equal. This side opposite angle is equal to this one. These two angles are equal. So that is angle P. Angle P plus 110 is equal to 180 because straight line forms 180. Angle P we don't know. Angle 10 subtract, that is angle P 180 minus 110. So 180 minus 110 is equal to 0. 8 minus 1 7, that is 1 minus 0. Here angle P is equal to 70. It is angle P is equal to 70. When angle P is equal to 70, angle Y also 70 because angle P is equal to angle Y. So P is equal to 70 is equal to Y. The summation of three angles. So here the x plus angle P plus angle Y is equal to 180. Then angle x we don't know, angle P we know. Angle P is equal to 70, angle Y is equal to 70 plus 180 is equals to 180. So that is angle x. So I will erase this here. So angle x plus 70 plus 70 140 is equal to 180. Then angle x is equal to 180 minus 140. So angle x is equal to, that is 40. This one sixth one from the sixth bit of fourth exercise. So here x, and here let us consider this one P. Angle x is equal to angle P. Angle y also we don't know, but here let us consider this one angle Q. But angle Q is given because that is vertical opposite angles are equal, that is 80. So angle x is equal to angle P. We can consider this also x. So again summation of three interior angles, that is nothing but, let us write here angle Q is equal to 180. So here x plus Q is equal to 180. So x is equal to, we don't know, x plus x 2x, that is 2x plus angle Q is equal to 80 is equal to 180. Then here goes this side, that is 2x is equal to 180 minus 80. So 2x is equal to, it is 100. So x is equal to, here the 2 is multiplying, when goes to the other side, that is division, that is x is equal to 100 by 2, that is x is equal to 50. We know 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So seventh one from the exercise 4. Here the one of the interior angles of a triangle is 125. So the exterior, one of the exterior angles of a triangle is 125. So out of three exterior angles, one exterior angle is given, that is 125, and the interior opposite angles are in the 2:3 ratio. Already we have done when the angles are in the ratio, finding the angles. So finding the angles of a triangle, the two opposite interior angles are 2:3 ratio. So we can find easily. That is, here given, this is a triangle ABC for our easy understanding. We can consider PQ also any alphabet. So A, B, C. So they have given that exterior angles of a triangle. Exterior, that is 3 exterior angles. That is 1, 2, 3. So one angle is given, that is exterior, that is 125, and the 2 interior opposite angles are the 2:3 ratio. 2:3 ratio, they are the interior opposite angles, that is interior opposite angles. My writing is a little bit ugly. So here the interior opposite angles. Let us consider this as a, that is 2x, and this is 3x. This one we can easily find because straight line formation, straight line forms 180. Then here let us consider this one M, angle M, that is angle M plus angle C. Angle C is equal to 180, straight line. Angle M we don't know. Angle C is equal to 125, 180, that is summation. So 125 is subtracted from the 180. So here angle M is equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to, it is 55. Angle M is equal to 55. We got angle M is equal to 55. So here 55 we got. Let us consider here M is equal to 55. Here is this one. Approximate problem is over, completed. So let us take sum of interior angles is equal to 180. We know. So 2x plus 3x plus M is 55. 55 is equal to 180. The summation of 3 interior angles. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x plus, that is 55, is equal to 180. When 55 goes this side, subtracts, that is 5x is equal to 180 minus 55. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 55. That is 125. Here 125. X is equal to 125 by 5 is 5 2s are 10. We can make division also. 5 2s are 10, and here 2, that is 5 are. X is equal to 25. It is 25. Here that is 2x is equal to x is equal to 25. We got 2x is equal to 50 and 3x is equal to 75. This is 50, this is 75. Actually, I have explained these angles, that is formation, that is finding the angles when the angles are in the ratio in the previous video, along with the angle sum property. I have to explain the two theories, like two examples. If you understand that one easily, you can do this in a fraction of a second. This is 8th question from the exercise. 8th question, that is 8th question from the 4th exercise. So the exterior angle, that is PRS of a triangle PQR. Let us consider this one. There is a PQR. PQR is a triangle. This, if the PRS, this is extended, this is PRS. Here the angle is formed. This angle is 105. So 105 is the exterior angle. Definite exterior angles are more than 90. So that is obtuse angle. That is PRS. PRS angle at the middle. PRS is exterior angle, that is exterior angle of a triangle, that is 105, and the angle Q is equal to 70 given in the question. We have to find the P. And also he is the questioning that is P, that is PRS is greater than the P or not. We have to find. We can find easily. Here again summation of two angles, that is straight line forms 180. That is straight line forms 180. There is latest angle, that is P. That is P. Now here that is M, which is not in the figure. That is angle M plus that is 105. 105 is equal to 180 because the straight line forms 180. So 180 minus 105 is equal to, that is angle M. Angle M. We know that that is 180 minus 105 is 75. Here the m is equal to 75. Let us m is equal to 75. This angle is 75. So again summation of three angles is equal to 180. Here we can, that is 70 plus 75 plus, that is angle P we don't know, is equal to 180. Then 70 plus 75, 70, 70, 140, that is 145 plus angle P is equal to 180. You should fast in calculation. So 145 minus 180, that is 180 minus 145. 10 minus, that is here, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 7 minus 4, 3, that is 35. Here 1 minus 1, 0. Here angle P is equal to, that is 35. So definitely that is angle PRS is greater than angle P, that is hence proved. So this is ninth one. So ninth one is if an exterior angle of a triangle is 130, so one exterior angle is given and one of the interior opposite angle also 160. So one opposite interior angle also, one interior opposite angle is given, and find the other opposite interior angle. This question made more easier when compared with the seventh one. In the seventh one, the angles are given the 2:3 ratio. We have to find the 1 ratio and we have to find the 2:3. When compared with ninth one, the ninth one is much easier with 7. So two angles are given, only one angle we have to find. That is another interior opposite angle. Let us form a triangle. This is PQR. The extended, that is X, because this forms exterior angle. The exterior angle is 130 he has given, that is 130, and the one opposite interior angle also 60 is given. We have to find this one. So we can easily find this one. That is the exterior, that is straight line forms 180. This angle and this angle, there is 2 summation is equal to 180. Let us consider this one M1, that is angle M plus 130 is equal to 180. Then angle M is equal to 180 minus 130. So is equal to 50. This one 50. This one 50. 50. Then summation of three angles, again interior, summation of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Then again 60 plus 50 plus angle Q is equal to 180. Then this becomes 110. Angle Q is equal to 180. Then angle Q is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to, that is become I think 70. That is this one 70. Easy. If you know the basics of a triangles and its property, you can do any problem from the all exercises, because the all exercises are dead easy. All questions are based on the angles, the summation of triangles, adjacent angles, the straight line formation, and I think 90 to 80% of the problems are based on the only two properties, that is summation of adjacent angles, straight line forms 180, and the summation of three angles is equal to 180. These two properties, these two points makes you understand the whole chapter easily. Here observe the 10th one and 7th one. Here the same as 7th one. One of the exterior angles of a triangle is 125. One of the exterior angle of a triangle is 105. And the interior opposite angles are in the ratio of 2:5 and the interior opposite angle 2:3. Here the numbers are changed but the same problem. Here 125, here 105. 2:3, there 2:5 here. So let us leave this 10th one. You can do by seeing the 7th one, because similar numbers are changed. Go to the 11th one. This one, that is 11th one. That is end of the chapter. 11th one. Here we have to find x and 55 here. So we have to find this one triangle. So hint here. So 50 plus 30 plus angle here. Let us consider P. Angle P. So summation of interior angles is equal to 180. So here angle A plus, that is angle C plus angle P is equal to 180. 180. So angle A 50, angle C 30, angle P we don't know, we have to find it. 180. So 50 plus 30 is equal to 180. 50 plus 30 is equal to 180 plus angle P is equal to 180. No. 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. 50 plus 30 80. That is angle P is equal to 180 minus 80. Angle P is equal to 100. Here 100. That is angle P is equal to 100. Angle P is equal to 100. Then we can find here again. This is 100. We can find this one easily because summation of two angles is equal to 180. This 100, this becomes 80 easily. So angle P plus angle Y is equal to 180 because it is straight line. This is a straight line, forms two angles summation 180. Angle P is equal to 100 plus angle Y is equal to, we don't know, that is 180. Then goes to this side, that is angle Y is equal to 180 minus 100, that is angle Y is equal to 80. So we got angle Y is equal to 80. We have to find x1. So here we got 80. So we can find this one easily because summation of interior angles is equal to 180. Again, that is angle Y plus 55 plus, let us consider this one, that is M. That is M is equal to 180. 180. So angle Y is equal to, we know, that is 80. 80 plus 55 plus angle M we don't know. We have to find this angle M is equal to 180. So 55 plus 80 is equal to 55 plus 80. 135. That is 135 plus is equal to 180. So again, that is angle M is equal to 180 minus 135. I erase this. I will erase this. Here M is equal to, that is angle M is equal to 135 goes the other side. 180 minus 135 is equal to, here we got, that is angle M is equal to 45 but not X. Here there is 45. We have to, again the straight line forms 180. I will erase this here. Straight line forms 180. That is angle X plus angle M is equal to 180. Angle X we don't know. That is angle X. Angle M is equal to 45 is equal to 180. That is angle X is equal to 180 minus, that is angle X is equal to 45. That is considered, that is 180 45. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and the 7 minus 5 is equal to 3. So 0. That is 135, I think. 135. No. So angle X is equal to 135. So if you know the basics of triangle well, you can do any problem of the all exercise. So that's why the basics plays a key role.